Hey, 4xe fans, just had my windshield replaced. This is actually my third windshield that I've had. And if you don't know, Jeep Wranglers just go through windshields. It has everything to do with the angle of the windshield and how the rocks can't deflect off when you have something fly at you, which is something to consider if you have a Wrangler, to pay attention to what is in front of you, especially on highways. Like, don't follow trucks very closely. Don't follow any kind of truck that hauls anything like gravel or anything. And if you see a truck that has like bobcats on it or something, try to stay away from vehicles like that, because they're going to throw stuff. And the point of this video, though, is I can't believe the price tag difference. I had used Safelite for the previous windshield. It was $1,000. Now, in Ohio, the windshield is not automatically covered under your auto insurance. In some states it is, but you can add windshield coverage. But probably in the course of a year, you're probably going to end up paying for the cost of windshield anyway, because it's a little bit of a price tag add-on. So I kind of did some shopping around and listening in a couple Jeep groups I'm in. That Safelite windshield cost me $1,000 for an OEM windshield. I got a non-OEM windshield installed for $325. So if you're keeping your Wrangler long term, and the possibility is that you're going to go through some windshields, I don't know. I'm gonna wait and see how this windshield does. I mean, so far everything looks exactly the same. The only exception, it doesn't have that little Willis Jeep in the corner. And yes, I said Willis and not Willys, because it's properly pronounced Willis. But that little Jeep is not in the corner, and that's the only difference in the whole windshield. Everything else looks exactly the same. But just wanted to share that experience, that I kind of checked around with some different places, and even that place that I used said for $525 he could put an OEM windshield in, which is a whole lot cheaper than that $1,000 I had to pay Safelite. I'm not trying to knock on Safelite. I think they're a great company and do great things, but man, that price difference is kind of hard to swallow, especially on a windshield that might have to be replaced again. I don't know. I'm struggling to understand that price difference overall when everything else seems to be the same. I watched the process the last time, and I watched the process this time, and don't see any huge difference in the process. I'm just saying, if you're going through that, maybe check around and check prices at different places, and look for some different options, because it's a lot of price tag difference. Thanks for watching.